Why elephants are smarter than you think. Most people think of dolphins or chimpanzees when talking about the smartest animals on Earth. But what if I told you elephants might actually be wiser than we think? Elephants are not just giants of the land. They are giants of wisdom, from memory, empathy, to their role in nature. Elephants carry lessons that humans often forget. Memory and intelligence. First, let's talk about memory. There's a saying, an elephant never forgets, and it's true. Elephants can remember water sources and migration routes even after many years. This ability is not just intelligence, it's survival. Imagine walking across dry lands for hundreds of kilometers and still knowing exactly where water can be found. For me, this shows that wisdom is not only about knowing, but about using knowledge to sustain life. Social bonds and empathy. Elephants live in tightly knit families led by the oldest female. Called a matriarch. She carries the wisdom of generations and guides a herd with her experience. What amazes me most is their empathy. Elephants console each other, help injured members, and even mourn their dead. They have been observed standing quietly near the bones of lost relatives. In a way, elephants remind us that true intelligence is not just brains, but also heart. Role in nature, ecosystem engineers. Elephants are also called ecosystem engineers. As they move, they clear pathways through forests, create watering holes, and spread seeds across huge distances. Without elephants, many forests and savannas would lose balance. They're herd, but countless other species. This is what I call wisdom in action. Living in a way that keeps nature alive for everyone. Living in a way that keeps nature alive for everyone. Cultural and spiritual significance. In many cultures, elephants are symbols of strength, luck, and wisdom. In Asia, they are associated with gods and spiritual traditions. In Africa, they are celebrated in folklore as guardians of the land. To me, it's no coincidence. Humans have always sensed something profound about elephants, something beyond their physical power. A quiet wisdom that we can all learn from. Conflict with humans. But sadly, the wisest animal often suffers the most. Habitat loss, ivory trade, and human-elephant conflict have put these giants in danger. It feels ironic, doesn't it? The animal that teaches us about empathy and balance is the one harmed by human greed. I believe if we could adopt just a fraction of an elephant's patience and empathy, maybe these conflicts wouldn't exist. Closing and message. So, why are elephants smarter than you think? Because their intelligence goes beyond solving puzzles or learning tricks. They carry memory, empathy, family values, and even a role as guardians of nature itself. For me, elephants are silent teachers, showing us how to live with wisdom and harmony. If you believe elephants are the wisest animals on Earth, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's learn together from these gentle giants, and maybe bring a little more wisdom into our own lives.